Alright guys, what is up? What is up? Turn it off, that's very copyrighted. This is the Game Master. I'm playing up some Survive the Disaster. Now there's a second one. Now there's a second one to it, but I won't play that until later. And I just died. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying attention. This is going to be a shout out to one of my favorite YouTubers. This is a shout out to you, Bro Ghost. Shout out to you. No one survived that. We know that. There we got 10. We get a few minutes for intermission. I'm not playing with my friend right now because he's still trying to get some Robux. Still trying to. Ooh, huge bomb. Where? Oh, it was right next to me. I thought that was something else. Wow. No one. A couple of people survived that. I ain't one of them. Ooh, this is gonna be. I can survive this probably. It's gonna be easy. I thought it'd be easy. It's just a giant noob. If you don't know what a noob is, it's a person who's just a person who hasn't played, who's the first time player. That's what a noob is. There's something. Now, if you haven't seen my boy Levi's channel, go check it out. You guys should just go check it out. I'll leave that in the description. I'll try to. Yeah, I survived that. That was easy. Someone is throwing ninja stars at me. I don't know why. 10 fires. Hold on. Hold on. I need to. There we go. Now it'll just be me. Terminator. Ooh, he's big. He's big. Pretty big. Hopefully it'll work this time. Hopefully I can get some. Hopefully with me recording it will work this time, so that way you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully. If not, then I don't know. Hold on a second. Hey boy, Levi's calling right now. Hold on.